Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have it, the Pavoni Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the central column was loose and pretty much the gaskets were worn out. So we ended up tightening the base, and we ended up when we were tightening the base, the plastic covered because beneath the tank. This is what holds the base in place. Pretty much broke in half, as you can see. So we ended up replacing one with a metal one, so it won't happen again, and it will last way longer in that position, so it won't rotate. And we pretty much replaced the sleeve as well, the plastic sleeve between on the machine. This one was cracked around the edges over here, and it was just a matter of time before this thing will just completely give up. And we ended up replacing pretty much all the gaskets on the machine. So let's test it out. Let's start with a shot of espresso. Hopefully I got the grain set up correctly so we can see the shot coming from this machine. It's a little bit hard with just one arm to do it while holding the camera. But it's doing great. A little bit finer. This machine might need a little more coarser grind, but it did a good job. And now for the steamer, working perfectly fine and no leaks. So there you have it, La Pavoni Piccola working once again. Thank you for your Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.